Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So I will be doing an in-depth analysis on gold for this week. So I'm going to do top-down analysis. I'll be explaining to you what you should be expecting this week. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share. You can also make your comments if there's anything, and also follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Telegram channel. So let me quickly explain gold, right? I want to explain it very well for you guys. Let's start with this movement from the monthly time frame. You clearly can see that this is the resistance level, right? We saw price came to test this level. What happened next? It dropped, right? Then we saw gold came again to test this resistance level. What happened next? It dropped. Simple as that, right? Then price has eventually come to test this level. So what do you expect next? Definitely a drop. So this is exactly what is happening on the monthly time frame. So in September, October, November, December, throughout this before this year end or so or to next year, we should be expecting more drop on gold. So gold will actually drop more. So this is the target, by the way. Probably by next year, 2024, we should be able to hit these targets. You can see these targets. This is the support level. So that is our target on gold. So in the long run, we should be expecting more drop on gold. That is it. Now let's go down to the weekly time frame. You can clearly see something that is happening here. We can see that there is a drop here, right? A lower lows. This is the lower highs, right? The price eventually give us a new lows, right? Breaking this previous lower lows. Guess what? Price gave us a lower highs. What happened? Did it break above this previous lower highs? No, it did not. Even though it came close to it, but it did not. That is still a confirmation that price will continue the movement to the downside. Then price eventually did what? Give us a new lows, eventually taking out this previous lower low. So on the weekly time frame, we are still on a bearish move. So this is just a pullback. You can see last week and last week we had a bullish move on gold. This is just a pullback in the long run. This is just a pullback. So after this pullback, what do you expect next? Then we are expecting another drop. So guys, if we don't start getting this drop this week, then from next week, like I can show you, gold will start selling massively, gold will start falling massively. So I don't want you to actually miss it. This move is actually coming out, which I think it will play out this week. But if it does not play out this week that we are predicting for, then the upper week, gold will definitely play out. So in the long run, expect a massive fall on gold. So do not miss it, because this correction that I'm seeing here, this correction or pullback, as you can see, I'm seeing that it is over, it has finished. So what I'll be expecting next is a drop. But you don't sell blindly, right? You need to wait for a confirmation. That should now take us to the daily time frame. But before that, see it on the weekly time frame. Price has got to tap this our 20 period simple moving average. So the confirmation that price will be dropping anytime soon. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, because we would want to get a confirmation, right? Now take a look at this. This is kind of like a major level, right? Price came to the same level. We saw it rejected, it went up, came to the same level, rejected a bit, came up as a pullback. Then when price broke below this level, guess what price did? Price gave us a pullback to test this level. So this is a key level. This is a key level I want you guys to watch out for. Now, what is price? What is gold now, dear? Gold is now at this same key level. So what do you expect gold to do? Since in the long run, we are expecting gold to fall, right? In the long run, gold should drop. Now, gold has come to this key level. What do you expect? Of course, a drop. So we are very much, that is why I said this week, we are very much likely to see that drop on gold. If gold does not drop this week, then I can assure you that next week, the upper one, then gold will start dropping. So gold is ready for a fall. It is ready for a drop. So do not miss out. Watch out for it. Now, let's go. Let's see if we can get a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, right, price eventually came to the same level, give us a lower lows, higher lows. Then price give us a new higher highs, taking out this our previous highs. Guess what? Price came to test this lower previous lower lows, higher lows. Sorry. Now, what I will be watching out for is price to eventually break these lows. That is what I'll be watching out for. If gold can break this lows and it give us a pullback, then we can now go ahead and start selling on gold. If not, gold is much more likely to see that to start going bullish. That is why I'm saying you need a confirmation. This is we are at a crucial level right now where gold could go up, it could go down. So if gold start pushing up from here, I would not take this trade, and I would advise you not to take this trade. And if you want to take it, it is up to you. So what I will be watching out for, or what I think we should be watching out for on gold, is actually for it to break these lows. If it can break these lows and it give us a pullback, then that should now serve as a confirmation that gold will be dropping. Then we can now expect more drop. That again, as a confirmation, you can see on the 10 period simple moving average, which is the red, the 20 period simple moving average, which is the green. So if price can eventually break this lows, like I said, and it give us a pullback, you will see that this 10 period will cross below this 20 period. That is again is also a sell setup. That is also a signal for you to sell. I mean, once price break this level, it gives us a pullback on the price action level. You would know that it is a sell. Now, indicator now says if indicator eventually now cross below it, then that should be a confirmation that you can now sell. So in the long run, on gold, you are expecting a sell, but you need a confirmation. So I've just given some of this confirmation I'll be watching out for. You can go ahead and watch out for it. So if you like this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.